Performance metrics and KPIs for organizational success. Measuring performance is essential for ensuring that an organization is moving in the right direction. Performance metrics and key performance indicators, KPIs, help businesses track progress, identify areas for improvement, and align organizational efforts with strategic goals. In this lesson, we will explore different types of performance metrics, their role in organizational success, and how to implement an effective measurement framework. Why performance metrics matter. Effective performance measurement provides several benefits. Data-driven decision-making helps leaders make informed choices based on real data. Goal alignment ensures that every department and employee contributes to business objectives. Continuous improvement identifies inefficiencies and opportunities for growth. Accountability and transparency creates a culture of responsibility and achievement. Employee motivation provides clear expectations and recognizes top performers. Types of performance metrics and KPIs. 1. Financial metrics. Tracks increases in total income over time. Profit margins. Measures financial health by assessing profitability. Return on investment. Evaluates the effectiveness of investments. Cash flow ensures liquidity and operational stability. 2. Operational efficiency metrics. Productivity rates measures output per employee or team. Turnaround time tracks how quickly tasks or projects are completed. Cost per unit evaluates efficiency in production or service delivery. Inventory turnover measures how quickly inventory is sold and replaced. Customer satisfaction and retention metrics. Net Promoter Score, PS, measures customer loyalty and satisfaction. Tracks how well a company maintains its customer base. Customer Acquisition Cost, CAC, evaluates the cost-effectiveness of marketing efforts. Churn rate measures the percentage of customers who stop doing business with a company. 4. Employee performance and engagement metrics. Employee satisfaction scores, surveys to assess workplace morale. Turnover rate measures employee retention and stability. Absenteeism rate tracks how often employees are absent. Time to productivity evaluates how quickly new hires become effective. 5. Innovation and growth metrics. New product development rate measures how frequently new products are introduced. Market share growth tracks the company's expansion within its industry. Research and development investment assesses the focus on innovation. Adoption rates of new technologies measures the success of digital transformation efforts. Best practices for implementing KPIs. 1. Align metrics with business goals. Choose KPIs that directly support company objectives. Avoid tracking too many metrics. Focus on what truly matters. 2. Use SMART KPIs: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time-bound. Define clear targets that are realistic and trackable. Set time frames for evaluating progress. 3. Ensure data accuracy and accessibility. Invest in reliable data collection tools. Make performance metrics available to relevant stakeholders. Encourage a performance-driven culture. Communicate the importance of KPIs to employees. Reward and recognize achievements based on metrics. 5. Regularly review and adjust metrics. Adapt KPIs as business needs evolve. Eliminate ineffective metrics and introduce new ones when necessary. Case studies: how companies use performance metrics effectively. 1. Amazon, data-driven performance tracking, uses real-time analytics to optimize operations and customer experience. Tracks customer behavior to refine recommendations in logistics. 2. Tesla, innovation and production KPIs, monitors production efficiency, vehicle deliveries, and market share growth. Focuses on sustainability metrics to align with brand goals. 3. Google, employee performance and engagement metrics, uses detailed performance assessments to identify top talent. Tracks employee satisfaction and retention rates to maintain workplace culture. Final thoughts. Performance metrics and KPIs are essential for driving organizational success. By choosing the right metrics, businesses can track progress, improve decision-making, and ensure that all teams work towards common goals. A well-structured KPI framework fosters transparency, accountability, and continuous improvement, helping organizations stay competitive in a rapidly evolving business environment. In the next lesson, we will explore strategies for integrating performance measurement into different organizational structures for maximum impact.